Santa Claus, a name that brings a smile to every child's face during Christmas. But have you ever wondered where he comes from? Let's unwrap the fascinating story of how Santa Claus became the beloved figure we know today. The story begins over 1,700 years ago with Saint Nicholas, a Greek bishop from the town of Myra, in modern-day Turkey. Known for his generosity, Saint Nicholas would secretly leave gifts for those in need, like gold coins for a struggling family to save them from poverty. This kind act earned him the nickname the Gift Giver, and over time, his legend spread across Europe. But how did a Greek bishop transform into the jolly man in a red suit? It's all thanks to cultural evolution. When Dutch settlers came to America in the 1700s, they brought the story of Sinterklaas. Combined with local traditions, he evolved into Santa Claus. By the 1800s, his image shifted to a magical plump man delivering gifts to children. Santa's iconic red suit? That's thanks to the Coca-Cola Company. In the 1930s, they commissioned artist Haddon Sundblom to create the cheerful Santa we know today for their holiday ads. Since then, Santa's look hasn't changed. A red suit, white beard, and that unforgettable twinkle in his eye. And who could forget Santa's magical home at the North Pole? The idea of Santa living there, surrounded by hard-working elves, came from American writers in the 19th century. It added a touch of mystery and magic to his story. Then there's his famous sleigh pulled by 8 reindeer. They first appeared in the 1823 poem, A Visit from St. Nicholas, also known as 'Twas the Night Before Christmas. Then there's his famous sleigh pulled by 8 reindeer. They first appeared in the 1823 poem, A Visit from St. Nicholas, also known as 'Twas the Night Before Christmas. And in 1939, Rudolph joined the team with his glowing red nose, becoming a symbol of perseverance. Santa Claus may be universal, but he's known by many names worldwide. In the UK, he's Father Christmas. In Germany, kids look forward to Kris Kringle bringing gifts. And in Italy, it's not Santa but La Befana, a kind witch who delivers presents. Santa Claus is more than just a holiday character. He represents the spirit of generosity, joy, and magic that makes Christmas so special. So, as you hang your stockings and leave out cookies, remember the incredible journey of this beloved figure.